78% of the top performing pages on Google are incorporating AI into their content strategy. So I'm going to show you how to join their ranks and boost your Google visibility. Here, you're going to learn how AI-generated content can effectively rank on Google, whether there are any penalties at all for using AI content on Google, and I'm going to give you practical strategies to write faster and improve your content quality with AI. So imagine Google as an Olympic diving judge. They don't watch the diver's training regimen. They only score the perfect execution of the dive itself. This mirrors Google's approach to evaluating content. Just as a diving judge doesn't care if the athlete trained in a state-of-the-art facility or in a community pool, Google doesn't concern itself with whether content was crafted by hand or with AI assistance, or just straight up written by AI. What matters is the flawless performance, or in Google's case, the quality of the content that lands on the search results page. But just like using AI to help you write content, a state-of-the-art facility will certainly help an athlete train much more effectively than a community pool will. This perspective completely shifts how you should think about content creation. It is not about the behind-the-scenes process, but it's about the end result that users and Google experience. So let's dive deeper into what that means for your content strategy. First, I want to talk about Google's official stance on AI content. In a Google Search Console blog post, they stated, and I quote, "Google's ranking systems aim to reward original, high-quality content that demonstrates qualities of what we call EEAT, expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Our focus on the quality of content rather than how content is produced is a useful guide that has helped us deliver reliable, high-quality results to users for years." The key takeaway here? Google focuses on content quality, not production methods. They don't care if you used AI or wrote every word by hand, as long as the end result is something that's high quality that its users, its searchers, will engage with. So in case you don't believe me, I'm going to show you some real-world examples of AI-generated content that is ranking very well. So first, I just did the search Eric May's net worth, and the #1 result is this Medium article. I have it open here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this content here and head on over to ZeroGPT, which is the AI detector we use. I'll paste it into this box, hit the text, and it's giving me that it is AI generated, but we can see it's ranked #1. Let me show you another example. This is a client of ours ranking for the search water heater replacement Plano. This is their homepage, and again, I'm going to grab their homepage content and run it through the same ZeroGPT AI detector. Copy, paste. So this is the AI content for the water heater in Plano, detect, and it's giving me 97% AI generated. For a third example, this is a client of ours, and we implemented AI assistance in writing content in March of 24, right around here. And you can see since then, we've seen a significant growth in the amount of traffic their website is getting. My goal in sharing those examples with you is to show you that AI-generated content can and does rank well on Google. So why does this approach make sense from Google's perspective? Well, keep in mind that Google's primary goal is to answer users' questions effectively. They don't care how the answer was created, just that it's the best one available. Now, this aligns perfectly with their stance on AI-generated content. So, how do we create AI content that ranks? At our agency, I use a multi-step process. First, we teach AI the right tone and target audience by creating a customer avatar. Now, when I'm talking about a customer avatar, I'm not just listing demographics. We're going to quantify their biggest needs, biggest pain points, and biggest dreams so that we know exactly what to write about so that our customers will engage with it. Then, we analyze the current top-ranking content for style and tone. Next, we're going to use AI to create an outline with specific format requirements that we're going to give the AI. We write the content section by section, again, of course, with AI assistance, but we don't stop there. Our post-production process includes fact-checking, reading out loud for flow, adding depth to the content, improving overall flow, and SEO optimization using tools like Page Optimizer Pro. One crucial aspect that many overlook is author credibility, or what Google calls EEAT, as mentioned earlier. Google pays attention to the author, so we use strategies to establish relevance and authority. This includes creating strong social profiles and actually being active on them with topically relevant posts. Now, I know some of you might have concerns. How do we avoid low-quality AI content that won't rank? It's all about balancing AI assistance with human oversight. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human expertise, at least not yet. Looking to the future, the trend of AI use in content creation is only growing. To stay ahead of the competition, you need to leverage AI while maintaining your unique edge. Now, the truth is, knowing the content strategy is just the beginning here. The real challenge lies in implementing these techniques effectively. That's why I created another video on how to use AI to write content that builds on everything we've discussed here. This next video will walk you through the practical steps of using AI tools to streamline your content creation process while maintaining the quality that Google demands. I'm going to cover how to choose the right AI writing tools, step-by-step instructions for using AI to generate high-quality content, and tips for editing and refining AI-generated text to make it uniquely yours. And, of course, pass all AI detectors. So don't let this valuable knowledge go to waste. Click here to watch and implement these content strategies today.